Welcome to the Z-Hut. Today we're going to take a look at the Element 24-inch E1SW2418M LED full 1080 HD monitor for your computer. This monitor has a 60 Hz refresh rate. It has HDMI and VGA inputs. The screen size is 21.3 by 16.3 by 7.4, and any other specifications that are marked on the box that I missed saying here, you will see in the corner right now, and I'll leave it up for a few moments. Let's open this up, see what's in the box, and then we'll take it over and hook it up to the computer. Alright, I got my X-Acto knife, so let's get going. Alright, I guess I don't need it yet. Now this monitor can be purchased at Walmart, and that's where I got mine. It was $120 in store, but online it was listed at $118, and they price matched it at the register. I saved $2. See, first we have a power cord. Looks like it has decent length to it. That's got to be about 4 feet. Alright, VGA cable. They could have included the HDMI. Lucky for me, I have some. And this is a pretty short cable, but this is a $120 monitor. So this will go in the computer parts. Here is part of the mounting base. Set that to the side. Instruction book. Might as well throw that in the garbage. Nobody ever reads them anyway. Alright, styrofoam's in 2 pieces, so you can pull the top piece out. It's got some good thickness to it, so good protection. If you are ordering this and having it shipped to you, you should have no problem. Right, here's the rest of the stand. We will be attaching that in a few moments here. Alright. There's nothing else in the box, so I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. Right. Appears that's the front, so we want the back side down. Well, so far the packaging, decent. I like it. I don't see why you would have any problems if you had this shipped to you. Alright, now the monitor color is white. One bad thing about white, and unfortunately they didn't have any other colors to choose from, white shows dust easily. But $120, I'm not going to complain. If I want to be picky, I was a professional painter for a number of years. I could mask it off and paint it black myself. All right, look at that. Now that is a nice size monitor. And it ain't huge, but it's 21 inches, well, 21.3 inches by 16.3 inches, and with the stand, it's 7.4 inches wide. Which is surprising, means this is, manufactured in like Korea or China or somewhere like that. It's not in metric, but I guess they labeled it for us here in America. All right, let me grab the screwdriver, and we'll put this together because, yes, I do believe we need one. And it's just a Phillips. It'll take me 1 second. All right, I got my screwdrivers. Now, I am noticing something. Now, this is the model number, and the manufacturer, the one I looked up online, the pictures online, showed these connectors back here. Design change. They changed the design and they didn't update it for the pictures at Walmart. But once again, as long as this monitor works for $120, I mean, this ain't no super gaming monitor. I'm using this just for my office here for editing videos. it should be fine for my use. If you try this, you buy one and do some gaming on it, please leave a comment. Let us know your opinion on that. When we get over to the computer, I'm going to put some video stuff on there. We'll check it out and see how that goes. But I do not plan on playing games on this, and it is a cheaper monitor, so I mean, don't expect that this is going to perform like a $500 monitor made for gaming. All right, so the stand has one screw right here, Phillips screwed it together. Then this just clips in. Alright, it's not wanting to cooperate. Let's try it this way. There we go. Clipped on. And it is supposed to be adjustable. Yes, it is. Not a whole lot, but there are some other cheap monitors out there that are not adjustable. All right, so far, my impressions, not bad. This is a $120 monitor. It's 24-inch. That's nice size. That's a very nice size, especially you're using this for home and office screen for your computer. Even for gaming, not too bad. All right, I'm going to take this over and set it up on my computer. Take my smaller, the screens I got right now, they're both about half the size of this. And if this works good, I'm going to be getting the second one. And I also have a new video card, which is, I got to stick in the computer quick too, because the card that I had doesn't have slots for the HDMI, and I wanted to be able to run two monitors. So I picked up a used video card off of eBay for $50, and I got it for about a quarter of what it's worth. So I'll catch you over at the computer in just a moment, and we'll check this out and see how it works. Okay, I've got the monitor hooked up to my computer. And actually, I went ahead and hooked it up and used it last night. Instead of just filming right away, I figured I'd go ahead and try it out overnight, give a better review of what I thought of it. I watched a movie on Netflix, and this is higher definition. I've got a 720p 32-inch, and this blows that away. The picture quality was amazing. On a rare occasion, I'll play some Star Wars: The Old Republic. Maybe like 2-3 times a month I'll play it for a couple hours. Not a real big gamer. I went and tried that as well. And it definitely was way better. This here used to be my main monitor. And then I had a second one that was a little smaller. And this blows it away. The difference is amazing. And right here, I've got right now playing actually the first half of this, the beginning of this video is playing here. And it's definite improvement from the screen I used to use. So for the price, the quality, and the size, I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. I very, very rarely like to give out 10s. There were a couple little minor things that I didn't like. One being that the pictures on the Walmart website were slightly different. It did turn out that the connectors being on the bottom actually routed a little easier to the computer, so they weren't hanging out. All right, but still, what I seen on the pictures on the Walmart website is what I was expecting to get. Close, still well worth. It's $120, $118 online. You go in the store, if you know, it only takes a minute or two. You save $2. Otherwise, if you just want to get right through, just pay the extra $2 and out the door you go. So yes, I would recommend this monitor. I'd very much recommend it. I am going to be picking up a second one and replace this monitor. And if they still have them in another month, I might even pick up a third to replace. I've got a 32-inch TV over here, and I can use that as well. But the TVs don't, the resolution, they're not really made to be used as a computer screen. So I might replace it and then have 3 matching screens for my setup. All right, well, thanks for joining us here today. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it big time. So with that, have a great day.